Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about the array operations. Before this, we continue our journey in which we perform some operation to numbers. In this video, we will perform some arithmetic operations to the arrays. So let's get started. First of all, how you will declare an array. So for example, I have an array and I call it A, and I said that it has a value that is start from 1 and it has an increment of 1 and its in value is 9. So press enter. So that is the start value is 1 and the end value is 9 and has an increment of 1. This can also be written as 1 asterisk 1 colon 1 and 9. This one represent the increment. So between two consecutive numbers, the increment would be 1, as it can be seen. How you will find out its size? Write down size and write down A, press enter. It says that it has 1 cross 9 matrix. As if you want to find the length, you can also find the length by just typing length and press command length A. So it should give me 9 because it has 9 terms. Now for example, I have an array B and I said that it starts from -9 from 9 and it has an decrement of -1 and it should go to till 1. So as it can be seen that 9 to 1. Now let's perform some arithmetic operation. For example, I want to add these two numbers and these two arrays, and that should be element by element. For example, this 9 should add with this one, this 2 should add with this 8, and goes on. So that's it. 10 10 10. You can also add two same arrays with each other. So for example, A plus A, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, and so on. Now you can also find the difference between two arrays are with the same arrays. So that's it, right? A minus A is 0, and similarly B minus B should also 0. Now I want to find B minus A, so that is 8 6 4 2 and so on. Now you want to find the multiplication. For this, just write down A, press dot, that will perform step element by element multiplication, and press the asterisk and press B, that will perform element by element operation. So for example, what we were having in A, 9 multiplying by 1 is 9, 2 8 and so on. And for similarly, if let me make it clean this window, A B, and I want to find the element operation of A into A. So 1 and 1 2, 2 cross 2 4 and so on. The square can also be taken place by just writing down A dot and upper cap and press the square or cube, whatever power you want to make your arrays. So that's it. Similarly for B, for example, I want to find the cubic of array B. So that's it. Now if you want to find out the division of A and B, so just put dot before the division, you will find out this, right? Okay, that's all done. Now let's do this with the sine and cos function as well. So for example, I have an array A and its value start from 0 and it has an increment of 45 and it's reached to 360, right? And I want to find the sine of this. So I'm assuming that these are in degrees, so I will write down D as it was discussed earlier, sine D into A, and press enter. So here it is. Now for example, I want to find out the sine square plus cos square. So how I will do, I will write down sine D, sine A dot asterisk 2 plus cos d a dot upper cap and 2. So sine square plus cos square at each term should equal to 1. That's it. Now for example, I want to find out tan of d, so I said that it is tan d. Here it is 0 1 infinity minus 1 0 1 minus infinity and infinity. So I call this, for example, a, control C, and I call this q. I print it again. What I want to do is I want to print b minus q, that is b has this value, these values, and q has this value. Now let's see what would I get. That's it. I'm getting 1 0 minus infinity 2 and so on. So this was a simple tutorial how you will play with arrays and how you will find out the arithmetic sequence and the arithmetic operation of an array. So it's a kind request to you, kindly do subscribe to my channel, like, share